Somebody getting into the back of your truck, babe.
No, I squared up like you squared up with me. He squared up with me first. Help! Help!
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
No, I don't have anybody with me. How do I know I won the game or not?
Not sure what kind of game this guy's talking about, but April's long gone. Ain't no Easter hunt over here. Check this creep out.
You want me to leave? You want me to leave? No. You want me to stay? You want me to leave or come in? God, I'm so good. Fuck. What do you want me to do? You want me to leave or no? Open the front door. Do you want me to leave? Hello?
Can you please get the hell away from my door? And what are you doing in our hallway? You don't live here.
I'm trying to open the door, bro.
You're trying to open my door? No, get the fuck out of here. Somebody at the fucking door.
This guy comes onto this porch and claims someone is after him. He looks pretty scared. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Help! Help! Help, help. Help! Help! Please help. Help! Please. Oh my God. Please, please, please help, please. No. Someone, please, somebody's trying to shoot me. Please, please, please. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, please help. Please.
Please make sure you keep those doors locked. Let me know if you think this was intentional.
Shit. Wrong fucking house. I'm so sorry. Holy shit. Wrong house. Wrong fucking house. I'm so sorry. Yo. Opened up the door. Wrong house. I'm so sorry. Holy shit.
Make sure you get your packages as early as possible. We got some people out here that think they're slick. Also, if you're having any issues, check out your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and places you can pick them up from.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was here to see Michelle.
Sorry, bro, wrong number.
You got a package out here.
I got you.
Throws his hands up in defeat.
That should be a warning because I've never received any warning saying that you can't park here. Where's the park paperwork saying you can't park here? Where's the paperwork? How is that illegal park? How is that illegal park? It's in my yard. Like, what are you talking about?
Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did the police take this too far? He did take the first swing.
I don't know. This dude found my car. He knew it was my car. He wanted to tow it so bad. That's it. Nigga, fuck you, Jay Johnson. On my soul. On my soul, you a bitch. I want you to understand. What's up? What's up? Put their hands up. Let's go.
Hey! Come on. Come on, y'all.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put
Your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Put your hands behind your back, mom. No, sir. Put your hand behind your back. Bro, give me the hand or you can get hit. Do not do that. Calm down because you have high blood pressure. Calm down because your blood pressure. Calm down because your blood pressure.
Hey, call James and let him know that I'm about to get arrested.
You should have never done. You know better.
No, I squared up like he squared up with me. He squared up with me first. Put that on the report. He squared up with me first.
The man was talking trash. The officer got butt hurt. He didn't have to swing on him.
Your weak ass punch. Your weak ass punch. You know I couldn't hit you back. You know I couldn't hit you back. You know if you take that badge off, you can't whoop me. You can't whoop me without that badge. Your punch was weak. Your punch is weak. Your punch is weak. Record that shit. Your punch is weak. Give me my phone. You ain't taking my phone. Give it to her. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck.
Little money, big money is all. Hello? It's a little money during the month, but it also. What are you doing? Get out here! I'm calling the cops! You're so sensitive about Barbara Jean. Where's she ever done to you? There was somebody getting into the back of your truck, babe.
In the
He
back?
just left. He's going down the fucking alley towards Melody's house. Got a flashlight and everything. He was getting into fucking tailgate.
Don't forget to chain those bikes up or place them inside if possible.
Hey, what you doing?
Looks like we got another pirate that thinks he's slick. He tries to act like he's concerned about their trash as he steals this package.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yes, I want to know why y'all trash can ain't been empty.
The person that submitted this video said that this guy came to their bathroom window taking pictures. As always, I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
The spider, bro. Look. Stupid. Remember those spiders that we seen in the window in jail? Yeah. What is hell of them? These ones are pretty small, though. Yeah, no. You don't know, these just said some shit. Oh! Hey, sir. Oh, wrong house. Wrong house. I thought you were somebody else. Wrong house, wrong house.
With the holiday seasons here, I advise that you reroute your packages or shop in store.
Can I help you?
Hey, ma'am, can you call the police, please? I'm being followed. I don't know who the fuck these people is, bro.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.